How are you? In this tutorial, we will see how to make a basic sending. As always, log into your account and view the initial screen or dashboard. In this case, to send an individual or bulk SMS to a list of mobile numbers, go to the Send SMS section and click on Send Basic. As you can see, it is advisable to inform the campaign name. This name will allow you to view statistics and data later in the campaign section. And then enter the mobile numbers in the first field, one per line. The numbers must include the country prefix and must contain only digits, no symbols such as plus, brackets, etc. However, if the mobile numbers correspond to the default country configured in the account preferences, it's not necessary to add the prefix as it will be done by the platform when sending. You can enter the numbers one by one or by copying and pasting from any file or format. The next step is to modify the sender. For this, you can add up to 11 alphanumeric characters without special symbols. This sender functionality is only available in some countries. Next, you need to compose the text of the message. Remember that the capacity of a standard SMS is 160 characters and can contain links. You can also send concatenated and unicode messages. Here you can use the message template, add the unsubscribe link or any other attachment, either files or previously added landings. It is important to emphasize that the text templates that you can pre-record serve to avoid writing messages over and over again. They speed up management and can be used quickly for several mailings. Right at the bottom of the text field, you can see the data of characters used, countries, and number of recipients and credits to be consumed with the sending being built. It is important to check these aspects to know what type of sending it is and if it matches the credits, type of message, etc. Once all the data is complete, it can be sent, scheduled, or deferred. If you want to defer or schedule it for a specific day or time, you can consult and cancel it in the Scheduled section. At this point, we only have to send and review the data in the confirmation screen. It is advisable to review each of the fields since the messages will be sent in a few seconds and cannot be canceled. And with this, we would have completed the steps for either programming or proceeding with a basic message. Below, you will find other tutorials on how to get the most out of the WebSMS platform. See you in the next video.